Are you bored of using the same arcade vocals in all of your beats? And this is the video for you. Keep watching.
First thing you're gonna want to do is record yourself singing or like saying a phrase over a simple loop, a simple melody, so you know you can at least get the sort of right rhythm and right key. So I'm gonna drag in a MIDI from my upcoming MIDI kit. I don't know what this is. So yeah, once you've got your melody down, I'll leave a link in the description to some free MIDI kits so you can easily do this. You just got to think of something to say, to hum or to sing, whatever you want to do. All right. So let's think. Whoa, whoa. I think I'm gonna do something like that. Okay. Bearing in mind I cannot sing. All right. And I'm assuming you can't either, because most people can't sing. Let's be real. If you can sing, easy peasy. This process is too easy for you. But if you can't, then this is gonna help you out. What you wanna do is then record yourself. So if you don't know how to record yourself in FL Studio, what you wanna do is go to any mixer channel. I use 20 because yeah, I just use it. And then just go up to here where it says none, and you wanna select your input. Mine is input 1 for my interface. And when you hear yourself, that's when it's working. I'm gonna record some stuff to this. Alright, so then once you've got your recording, what you want to do is then check you've got what you wanted first of all. So this is trash, but this is basically what I want. So what I'm gonna do is double click on it, then press Control E to open it up in Edison. And what we're gonna do here is clean it up because I don't have the best mic, and there's a little bit of background noise and whatever. So we're just gonna remove it. If you see all this fuzz here, that's background noise, and you don't really want it. So you can just select a part where you're not speaking or breathing or anything, and then go up to this brush, right click it to detect the noise profile, then left click it to go in, and just press the denoiser, make it so it's like this, and just press accept, and then you actually have to select everything, so press Control A. Make sure everything is selected, by the way. Alright, cool. We'll do it again. See how it was silent there instead of there being fuzz? Simple as. And then you just want to drag it in to replace the clip. So you just click this little thing here and then just drag it into the original clip. Then it'll just replace it. And then route it to a channel. So this one's on 3 actually. We don't want it on 3. I'm gonna put it on 6. Cool. We're gonna put it on 6 and I see what we can do. So I actually have a little chain that I made specifically for making vocal chops. So what I'm gonna do is just drag in this easy vocal chain. I'll leave it down below. Alright, but I'll leave down below one with only stock plugins, and I'll put Pitcher there instead of M Auto Pitch, which is just another free auto tune plugin. Which yeah, because I don't actually own that version of FL Studio. But then for the auto tune, make sure it's in the right key. So for this, it's C sharp minor, because if it's in the wrong key, it won't sound that good. But then let's walk you through this chain real quick. So it's just an EQ cutting off a lot of the low end, because for this you don't want it to be muddy at all. So just delete a lot of the low end and some of the high end just to keep it clean and sort of push it to the background more. Yeah, and that's just a preset. If you go to here and then press this, then it's that preset. And obviously the auto tune, just change it to your voice. Then obviously a delay. This is basically the default preset for Fruit Delay 2, but I just put a ping pong so it will go to both ears instead of just one. And then Valhalla Supermassive, which is just a reverb plugin. I think it sounds better and you have more control than the default stock free reverb. But free reverb is calm as well, or any reverb, but this is pretty good. I like it, and it's free as well, so definitely go and get it. And then just another EQ to delete low end and delete high end again. So yeah, without it sounds like this, and with it sounds like this. But then something you actually want to do is cut out all the breaths like this, because it makes it sound quite clapped. Let's delete this, just to make it more clean. And also something you want to do is put it onto generic and transient. Oh my days, Hayview is moving mad. Let's play it with the melody. Alright, that sounds cool. I preferred the second one, so I just delete the first one because, yeah, I thought the second one was better. So then what I like to do is render this out by clicking on this little red thing and then pressing Alt R. Then you have it as a WAV file, and then you can manipulate it more. So maybe I can pitch it up. Yeah, that sounds cool, and you can also reverse it. You can just play with it. I like this pitch up. I'm actually gonna bring it back to 6 and turn everything off but the last EQ.